It's a Saturday morning after a long week of CHROME GuidedSMILE with Dr. Jeffrey Kravitz and his office manager, wife, life partner, marketing expert, Anita. And on Tuesday, we started with a double arch. Wednesday, we did a double arch. Thursday, we did a double arch. Yesterday, Friday, we did a single arch. And today, we're doing a single arch. So 8 arches in total. Dr. Kravitz, what was your experience with CHROME GuidedSMILE this past week? How did you, because it was all different cases. We kind of did some flapless surgery, we did some invasive bone grafting, etc. So we had a lot of different challenges and overcame it with you. So tell me in your words, how was your experience?
Well, I found everything very comprehensive and organized. But above all else, it gives the patient a fantastic result. And we've only had smiles and happiness from the side of the patient there and from us. We worked as a team. We felt very confident. It was a very, very good experience.
Excellent. Anita, and just kind of seeing the whole process. I mean, you've ordered the cases with the office, did the previews with Liz, the pre-plans, the planning, etc. Set that up. What was your experience there, and then the outcome, what you see at the end of the day with the support?
All I can say, hands down, the best support we could have to go through these comprehensive cases. I think Ro has been holding our hands with all the support they're giving us and backup that we need at times like this, that we go through dual arch in one day, and we have everything we need right at our fingertips. And of course, one of the greatest support we have is Thomas. And it just makes it so much easier, so much more rewarding at the end of the day. Like Jeff said, just seeing the patients walk out with their life transformed.
Absolutely, life-changing.
Life-changing, absolutely.
Well, we appreciate your business from CHROME, and we look forward. I know you have, we've scheduled another 4 cases, April, and another 8 arches in the weeks up to in March and in April. So we look forward to coming back and having a lot of fun with you and a lot of smile transformations. So we appreciate your business and keep going strong. You're never too old for that, right?
Never too old for that.
Excellent. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.